This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. We're going to dig into the charts, Bitcoin to the downside with a diamond pattern. I'm going to go over why. I told you guys about the diamond pattern. Beautiful, beautiful price action to the downside. In terms of one specific issue, look at the 3-minute 20 moving average. Do you see how the entirety of the time, boom, you were protected from guys going long because that acted as such a level of reinforcement. I'm always pointing the VIP. Number one trade group, guys, the top technicals, i.e. we are oversold on the daily. Oversold on the daily. Do you recall, was it a week or two ago when I said, yes, we will become oversold again on the 4-hourly? And we were oversold on the hourly. I said, wait, we'll be oversold on the 4-hourly and we'll be oversold on the daily again. That right there is beautiful to see, the daily oversold again. Let's take a look at the diamond pattern. This is the specific daily right here. I want to talk about why I chose the diamond pattern. Shout out to Venus. Shout out to Leon. You all are both trading great. I know a lot of the VIP are trading great. Thanks for posting your trades in the back. I'd love to see those. In terms of this specific amplitude move for the diamond would be stacked at the point of breakout, right? Yeah, there we go. Stacked at the point of breakout. We've done well on the diamond pattern. The one nuance, pay attention to a diamond pattern, would be the following. If we wanted to convert this into a double top, what would we do? Guys, we would look at the specific double top. We would take the full amplitude of that diamond, boom, and we would stack it down below. That is what we're talking about a 17.5 projected target. Now, you have some demand zones to get through. Currently, you are at, and pushing beyond, I'll tell you that 50% retracement measured from the low to the high. You guys know the 38.2 was really powered through. That was the floor of the double top. Okay, the specific 50% is followed up by that golden pocket, the 61.8 to the 65th. Then we have that 786 would be the specific amplitude of the double top, boom, to the downside. Pay attention, guys. Bulls picking up in this zone, laddering and scaling in, as I like to say, ladders and scales are built for whales. You guys got that? Ladders and scales, meaning more to the downside. Scaling into the downside, guys. Ladders, meaning specific levels of entry. Ladders and scales are built for whales. That is my saying. All right, so in terms of the projection to the downside, I wouldn't give up all hope. I understand that one thing is a good, let's talk about one more issue here. The specific channel framework to the upside that you see on the 4-hourly, amplitude, move, stack, down, boom, you have completely satisfied the requirements for that. Anytime I see an upward sloping channel and I see sellers perform to the downside, I just really enjoy that trade, me personally. So that's been satisfied. Quite a few patterns have been satisfied in the market. What is still undetermined is the level of fallout that we'll see, i.e. jobs, guys, data, employment data is causing a lot in the market in terms of frustration, okay, at least to say frustration. NASDAQ right now is exhibiting a double bottom in line with the descending triangulation. Pay attention to that. Powell left the door open for quite a bit of additional activity by the Fed. We've got Silvergate, we've got Silicon Bank, we've got a lot of different issues in play. The number one trade group, why? Here. Not because we've got people making hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, millions, whatever. Because of heavy cash reserves. Heavy cash reserves means what to you? Depending upon where you're at, it could mean $5,000 that is just not getting touched until you become consistent in the market. Or it could mean $5 million that's not getting touched until you become consistent in the market. Or it could mean 50 million. Or it could be 100,000. Whatever your level is, heavy cash reserves. Until you become consistent in the market, until you can consistently deliver 4 positive trades. I'm going to tell you guys, if you can book 4 positive trades anytime you want to, when you get to that level, you can start to increase the trade amount until you get there. Until you get there. Work the 100 rounds. Work on your discipline in terms of saying, it's classic. The trader will say, well, just this time I'm going to put a little bit more in. I really feel it on this one. Do not do it. That's not VIP. It's not the way that we roll. That's not our 100 rounds of training. And until you're consistent, 4 positive trades at that next higher level after you step to the trade amount, until you at the new trade amount can consistently book 4 positive trades, do not jump up to the next level. Don't add a 0. Don't do it. Be consistent in your trade approach. I'm excited to see that we hit the specifics here in terms of oversold on the daily. That's an accomplishment. Remember the descending wedge here. Remember about 2/3 is that sweet spot here. Boom, to the upside. We didn't have it. So we've got a lot of patterns in play, a lot of action in the market. This is just sweet. I love that this diamond played out, and we had a really high percentage. If you look at this in the back, and shout out to Venus, she noticed it. He had a really high percentage, like an 86% chance of getting below this. All right, 86% chance of getting below this stalwart right here. So boom, that's why I chose it. Very nicely done. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Nicely done, Venus. Looking at the lower time frames, there's a reason why we look at the lower time frames. This is the 1 minute time frame. Flat bottom support. Looks like we're running into another descending triangulation. Could be a double bottom. I just tell you, you have to trade this market on the micro. Be prepared for your King Kong moves, say, from the 200 weekly. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of verbiage tonight because I know that you're trading and it's been a long trading day. If you got a little beat up today in the market, you had to be quick. You had to be quick. I'll tell you, we had the release, data release, and we'll guys will be in the back tomorrow as well. But we had the data release, and what was the deal? It looked rosy and peachy for a while, didn't it? Bitcoin popped to the upside. Natural time to release some shorts. We had some data to work with. Then what happened? Somebody just completely unplugged the whole system and boom, 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 boom. Big day, guys. Big day. Nice day to say you made some profit. VIP making some money. Good job, guys. Way to go. Now, in terms of this final pickup here on the 4 hourly, this is a sweet spot down here, guys. I'll just tell you there's a lot of attention down here. If we can get down to that level of support on that expansion, that's a level a lot of people have been waiting for. I'll just tell you, a lot of people have been waiting for this level for a week plus. You'll need momentum to get down there. And I'll just tell you guys, the weekly momentum is rolling over on the MACD. We can look at that if need be, but I'll just let you guys go. It's been a long enough video. I'm excited about the price action to the downside. Way to trade, VIP. Good job. Venus, thank you for posting. And Leon, thank you for posting. And yeah, if you want to join the #1 trade group, you guys know where it's at. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We're going to be taking the market by storm this year. Shout out to the people making good money, using good trade tactics, and getting it done the right way. All right, there's no shame in that, guys. That's what we do. This is London. Take care of yourselves. We will be streaming soon. I think Monday we'll be streaming. And thank you guys for spending some time with me this evening. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your wallets. Until you get consistent, book for positive trades. Then up that trade amount, guys. Looking forward to see what 2023 brings you in terms of success. This is London with VIP Trader and Bitcoin Spike.